We're out in the greenhouse today. It's February the 7th, 6th. And I got to take all these grapevines down before they start putting on buds. It's warm in here though. It's like 60 degrees. It's a really nice day out today. But I got to get these gone. That's my job for the day. So I'll put you on fast forward and just watch me take this stuff down. Okay, well, we got it. Got it all taken down. Looks pretty good. The grapes along the sides have been trimmed down. Both sides. And we are just waiting for spring to come. And these things will bud out probably about 3 weeks to maybe a month, but yeah, it was a fun little day getting rid of all this stuff. It's been bugging me forever. I just don't like it when, it's like hanging over your head all brown and nasty. So now's the perfect time. They're dormant. There's no moisture. There was a little bit of moisture down there at the end where it was the warmest coming out of the stem, but for the most part, it's just dormant. So yeah, looking forward to spring. Look at this guy. Just in a little, 3-inch pot. And came from a cutting. Just look at the root ball on that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that nice? Why doesn't everybody do this? Here's that geranium. Isn't that nice? That's just a nice pink color. Kind of a salmon, I guess. Beautiful.